Get ready to fire up the grill, because today we're counting down the best portable gas grills for outdoor cooking on the go. This list brings you compact power, quick heat, and chef-worthy flavor no matter where your next picnic takes you. From compact folding legs to easy cleanup, these picks balance portability with performance you can rely on. Today, I'm going to be going over the best portable gas grill that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Cuisinart CGG-306. This compact 2-burner gas grill is designed to maximize portability without sacrificing versatility, a balance that makes it a dependable choice for everyday cooks who want real grilling performance on the go. 2 burners are mounted in a lean, stainless steel body that resists weather and road hazards, providing a stable cooking platform whether you're on a balcony, at a park, or in a campground parking lot. Lid that seals well and a built-in thermometer help you manage heat without constant lifting, while the porcelain enameled grates maintain even heat distribution and make cleanup easier after a searing session or a longer simmer. Control knobs are straightforward, with a smooth ignition that, in most conditions, starts reliably with a single press. If the battery ever dies, the backup manual spark remains simple and predictable. Design includes foldable legs and a compact footprint, so you can slide it into a hatchback with room to spare and still spare space for a cooler and dry goods. Optional accessories, such as a small rolling cart or a stand, expand its versatility without adding bulk, which is a real plus for renters or tailgaters who want a kitchen feel in a compact setup. A grease management tray pulls out cleanly, limiting drips to easy-to-clean areas, and the overall construction uses corrosion-resistant hardware to handle frequent outdoor use. When you're packing for a weekend away, weight matters. The CGG-306 stays in the middle of the pack, portable enough to carry without a dedicated vehicle, yet sturdy enough to hold up during a windy evening grill-out. This model also benefits from an accessible fuel setup. A standard propane canister connects quickly and stays stable during use, delivering consistent flames that help you sear, crust, and finish with confidence. From a cost-to-performance perspective, it's a strong value, delivering reliable results across a wide range of foods, from thick steaks to delicate vegetables. Paired to the Charbroil 465,133,010, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the CGG-306 emphasizes mobility and quick setup over heavy-duty single-zone power, making it a forgiving choice for travelers who want flavor on the go. At number 4, we have the Charbroil 465,133,010. This grill is a rugged, travel-friendly option that brings a straightforward, no-fuss approach to portable cooking. Its compact frame hides a capable cooking surface that can handle a busy tailgate line or a casual backcountry cookout, with 2 burners that respond quickly to dial adjustments and an enclosure that limits heat loss in breeze-heavy environments. Construction leans toward durability, a sturdy lid, robust side panels, and a coated body that resists corrosion and scuffs after repeated trips. Charbroil typically equips these models with easy start ignition and a grease management system that channels drippings into a removable tray for quick cleaning, so you can wipe down between courses rather than spending an entire afternoon scrubbing. The lid provides enough headroom to finish thicker cuts and roasts without crowding the flame, while the compact footprint helps it tuck into a small trunk or be hauled in a mid-size SUV. When it comes to heat distribution, you'll feel a practical, even range across the grates, which makes it suitable for searing, grilling, and indirect cooking on cooler nights. The price point is often appealing for casual grills, and those who value straightforward performance without a lot of extra frills. Compared to the Royal Gourmet G-Tone 1001, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Charbroil model prioritizes a slightly slimmer profile and quick setup over extra cart features or additional shelves, which programmers and tailgaters may appreciate depending on space needs. At number 3, we have the Royal Gourmet G-Tone 1001. This model brings a robust balance of features and portability, designed to satisfy both the backyard griller who travels and the tailgater who wants a steady, repeatable result. G-Tone 1001 usually presents with dual burners that deliver consistent flame across a generous cooking surface, along with a reliable ignition system and a hood that traps heat efficiently for searing and finishing at the right temperature. Build quality reflects Royal Gourmet's emphasis on value, combining stain-resistant metals with a stable cart and handle that make movement between patio and tailgate a smoother process. In addition to core cooking power, it often includes helpful touches like a multi-level warming rack, a stable chrome-plated grate, and simple, intuitive knobs that stay cool to the touch during longer sessions. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to a grease tray that slides out neatly, and the overall design supports quick cleanup after a busy grilling run. The G-Tone 1001 is versatile enough for burgers, veggie skewers, chicken thighs, and even thicker cuts that require longer exposure to heat. Paired to the Cuisinart CGG-180, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the G-Tone 1001 offers a more substantial cooking surface and sturdier cart setup, which makes it a natural choice for groups and longer cookouts. At number 2, we have the Cuisinart CGG-180. CGG-180 is a chef-friendly portable that leans on a versatile VersaStand system, giving you the flexibility to park it on a balcony, in a campsite, or on a deck with a stable base and adjustable height. Grill's lid and body are designed to survive regular outdoor use, with heavy-gauge steel and a thoughtful powder coat finish that resists chips and rust. The cooking surface includes a pair of interchangeable grids and a heat-retentive interior that makes searing a breeze while maintaining even cooking across thicker cuts. Key advantage here is the versatility of the VersaStand, which folds flat for storage and snaps into place to provide a level, comfortable stand without requiring a separate table or grill table. The ignition is straightforward, with a reliable push-button start and a manual backup if needed, and the grease management system captures drippings efficiently so you can keep cleanup manageable after a big cookout. CGG-180 is particularly friendly for hobbyists and seasoned cooks who want control without complexity, delivering consistent results across vegetables, seafood, poultry, and meat. Weight and portability are carefully balanced, so you can carry it with a friend on a trailhead hike or roll it with the stand through a parking lot. Compared to the Coleman Road Trip 285, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the CGG-180 offers a lighter setup and a more compact footprint, which is ideal for smaller living spaces or solo adventures. At number 1, we have the Coleman Road Trip 285. This model is the flagship among portable gas grills for campers and tailgaters who want premium portability without sacrificing the key elements of grilling performance. Road Trip 285 is known for its locking stand, heavy-duty wheels, and a design that folds for quick transport while still feeling sturdy when deployed. It typically features 2 burners that share a common heat zone, a lid that retains heat well for searing and finishing, and a cooking surface designed for even heat distribution across multiple zones. Coleman emphasizes ease of use, including a straightforward ignition system, intuitive temperature control, and a grease management approach that tucks away drippings for simple cleaning. The build materials are selected for rugged outdoor use, with weather-resistant coatings and reinforced hinges to handle frequent transport. When you set up the Road Trip 285, you get a sense of readiness for a variety of meals. Steaks, kebabs, burgers, fish, and vegetables can all be arranged across the grates with room to spare. A user-friendly, collapsible stand makes packing into a car an efficient operation, and the overall footprint balances a generous cooking area with the benefits of portability. Families and friends who value a dependable, ready-to-grill experience wherever they go. The Road Trip 285 remains a strong benchmark in this category. Compared to the Cuisinart CGG-306, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Road Trip 285 emphasizes a more robust stand and a broader, more stable package that's well suited to regular outdoor use and group meals.